Hi, Mr. X with glossary term limit. Before embarking on the calculus, you better have a good idea of how to approach a limit. The notation's pretty straightforward. An incredibly trivial example would be the limit as x approaches 2 of 5 plus x. Well, that would be 7. As x gets closer to 2, this sum gets closer to 7. Not all that interesting. But suppose we took a different function and we said the limit as x approaches 2 of 3x minus 5 over x minus 2. Well, now it does get pretty interesting because now we have to worry about whether or not we're approaching from the left or the right. If we approach 2 from the top side, from the positive side, then we get 6 minus 5 is 1 over something that's very, very small. That's going to go toward infinity. If this is beyond you right now, don't worry about it. We're just talking about a limit. Now, if we approach it from the low side, then we get something close to 1 over 0 minus, a negative. That's going to go to negative infinity. So, as it turns out, we're going to have what's called a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. Because we're trying to divide by 0. We're going to get a vertical asymptote. From the low side, our function's going to go down this way. And from the high side, it's going to go like this. And it's all because we're dividing by something that's getting closer and closer and closer to 0 as x approaches 2.
On the World Wide Web at MrXMath.com.